Just imagine making money while having fun. How awesome would that be? But the question is how? Well, worry not, because that is what we will discuss in this video. We will be telling you about a method by which you will be able to make up to $53 of PayPal cash every hour. That's right. And the cool thing is that doing so would be very easy and will not require any specializations on your side. You will need a device connected to the internet and a PayPal account. So make sure you stick to the end of this video so that you don't miss out on anything important. Let's get started. To get started, the first thing you need to do is head to Sellics.com. It is one of the most famous and notable Amazon advertising programming bundles in 2020. Yet, has it acquired this title? As one of the main Amazon SEO offices worldwide, we have worked with many users to rank items in exceptionally serious search terms and help business proprietors to get, without a doubt, the most out of their Amazon business. Indeed, the best aspect regarding utilizing Sellics is how it pulls exact information and measurements from Amazon and makes an interpretation of them into clear and simple to process bits of knowledge. It would be unbelievably simple for a tool that does these various things with such countless information in various capacities going on to mess things up. It's estimable that Sellics figures out how to focus on user experience. When we ask our clients what they find the most difficult aspect of selling on Amazon is, one of the most common responses is that it feels a bit like juggling too many balls at once with all the different factors that have to be optimized and tracked. Sellics goes a long way towards solving this problem, arguably further than most other tools, and deserves points simply for allowing you to manage such a wide variety of aspects from one dashboard. When you sign into your seller account, you'll arrive on the fundamental dashboard that can be effortlessly exchanged between the Government Operative Tool, Specialty Analyzer, and Product Finder. Likewise, there is the Cockpit dashboard loaded with measurements, information, and widgets, and an incredible spot to get experiences about your Amazon business all in all. This tool is to provide you with an itemized breakdown of the current at-present products recorded on Amazon. Its primary use is to track down beneficial specialties with low rivalry. It's the most short-sighted tool in the bundle, and we surely wouldn't suggest getting Sellics assuming this is the central thing you'll involve it for. However, it's not horrendous and offers great benefit as a feature of the whole bundle. There are some filters that give you agency over how the products are sorted through, allowing you to order products by sales rank, number of reviews, and more. This part is tied in with exploring watchwords, tracking down who's positioning great for what, and finding each of the potential catchphrases for your specialty, including which ones have the most traffic and least rivalry. It gives you search volumes of more than 200 million Amazon watchwords and can follow your product's positions over the long haul to see what works and what doesn't as far as your posting advancements and different upgrades. Like the product detector, this isn't as good as it could be and provides decent value as part of the whole package, but doesn't rank highly at all in the world of keyword rank tracking. Inventory can perhaps be the greatest issue for an Amazon vendor, particularly assuming you have a wide range of products across various markets and different Amazon marketplaces and dialects. That is the point at which it may be a genuine headache. This tool places all of your stock data in a single spot. It permits you to compute the ideal reorder dates and get alarms when now is the ideal time to renew stock given current inventory, production and delivery time, and deal speed. Anyway, now let's discuss the main thing. Head on to Sellics.com by following the link in the description, and then scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here you will see the Affiliates button. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to a new web page. Now, what you will have to do here is join Sellics affiliate program and start making money. By this method, you will be able to make a lot of money. Going ahead, the next step for you is to head to bit.ly.com. Bitly is a basic online assistant that permits its users to shorten long and confounded URLs. With this arrangement, users can easily save, duplicate, and offer their #1 links in various web-based entertainment stages, messages, and different channels across the web. On the off chance that you aren't updated, pasting long URLs have turned into a standard years before, until Twitter thought of a plan to set post caps, which permit users to tweet up to 140 characters in each post. Currently, this is not an issue with Bitly. Bitly's administration is viewed as the biggest URL shortener in the world. It works by taking long URLs and quickly shortening them. It replaces the entire length and confounded link with a progression of letters and numbers to make it short. Bitly's one-of-a-kind assistance has become fundamental in the present web-based entertainment world, especially in Twitter, which is known to have a character limit in each post. With this arrangement, sharing data through URLs across the web has become quick and simple. You just get admittance to the Your Bitlinks tab with a free user account. To utilize a dashboard, custom bitlinks, and OneView tabs, you should move up to a top-notch account. On the Your Bitlinks tab, you'll see a structured presentation showing the quantity of bitlinks you made in the last week, in addition to a concise synopsis of absolute snaps, top referrers, and top area in the upper left of this screen. Under this, you'll see your feed of bitlinks on the left. Select a link to see a synopsis of its subtleties on the right. To make another bitlink, drift your cursor over the orange Create button and select Bitlink from the drop-down menu. A field will show up on the right half of this screen where you'll have the option to paste a long link and consequently see your link become a bitlink. Based on what you need, you can tweak the last couple of characters of your bitlink. Whenever you're prepared to utilize your bitlink, select the Copy button to paste it someplace or the Share button to share it on Twitter or Facebook. Whenever you make another bitlink, it gets posted into your bitlinks feed, so you can constantly allude back to it later. You can tap on any link in the segment in the base left to see its subtleties on the right, including the title of the page that it links to, buttons to duplicate, share, alter it, traffic details, referrers, and areas. To keep your bitlinks coordinated as you add more, you can click the checkbox next to any bitlink in your feed to either label it or conceal it. You can utilize the search bar at the top to track down explicit bitlinks by catchphrases or tags. After that, share the affiliate links as much as possible and wait for the magic to occur. With each click, you will get paid. The more the clicks, the more the earning. If you have a good social media following, it might not take long before you become rich. So make sure to implement this strategy to get passive income out of it. And there you have it. While you can improve on a singular tool premise and the portion of the independent parts are deficient with regards to, what Sellics dominates at is putting all that you want in one spot and making it all simple to get to. Since selling on Amazon can be so time-consuming and highlight such countless moving parts, this isn't something to be disregarded, and if solidifying all your examination and execution measurements into one spot is what you need, you are probably not going to show improvement over Sellics. Consequently, we give Sellics a good suggestion. It can be a great source of passive income and is consistent. I mean, honestly, which other platform pays this much for just pasting links? No one, and that is why we recommend you to sign up to Sellics now. So let us know your thoughts on this video in the comment section below. And as always, stay tuned for more awesome videos like this. Thanks for watching!